Hi everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy crochet skull pattern perfect for Halloween. This pattern can be used to make bunting or decorations, and it's great for last minute Halloween decor. So grab your yarn and let's create something spooky and fun. We are going to start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. Now we are ready with the magic ring. And in the first row, we are going to chain 3, yarn over and pull through the loop. 2 and 3. And then work 7 double crochets inside the magic ring. So we will get started. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double crochet. We need to make 6 more double crochets. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now I feel like the magic ring is too big for me, so I'm going to pull this a little like this to make it smaller. And we will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then work a double crochet inside the magic ring. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then work another double crochet inside the magic ring. And chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I'm going to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring. And then we will go ahead and work a slip stitch in the third chain from the starting point. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. So insert the hook into the third chain there. Yarn over, pull through the chain, and then pull through the loop. Now we have completed our first round. Now we will start the second round. Chain 1, and then we are going to work a half double crochet into the same base stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same base stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a half double crochet. Again work 1 half double crochet, increase into the next stitch, which means 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. 1 and 2. This is the half double crochet increase. Again go into the next stitch here and work 1 half double crochet. Again work 2 half double crochets inside the next stitch as an increase. 1 and 2. Again 1 half double crochet in the next stitch and an increase into the stitch after that. 1 and 2. Again repeat the pattern once more. 1 half double crochet into the next stitch and an increase into the stitch after that. 1 and 2. And then we are going to work 5 single crochets inside the chain 5 space here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we need to work 6 double crochets inside the chain 3 space in the middle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then we need to work 5 single crochets inside the next chain 5 space here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet of the round here. So insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the second round as well. This is what it looks like. And then we will start with round 3. This is going to be the outline of the work. So we will chain 1 to start and then work a slip stitch into the same base stitch here. And then again chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the very next stitch. Again chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch here. Again chain 1 and a slip stitch into the stitch after that. Like that we are going to repeat the pattern up to here. So in total we need to complete 16 slip stitches separated by chain 1 spaces. After that, work a slip stitch into the next stitch here. And then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and work 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch here. Now we need to repeat the outline again. So work 1 slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 1. Again 1 slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 1. Like that we will repeat the pattern until the end. Now this is the end of the work, and then we are going to work a slip stitch into the starting point to join the round. Leave a little tail and we will cut the yarn off. After that we will use our yarn needle to hide the tail. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this little skull pattern brings some extra fun to your Halloween. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more festive crochet tutorials. Happy Halloween!